How to use Badoo encounters for quick matches. Let's jump into how to use Badoo encounters, the fastest way to find matches and make new connections. Open Badoo app. From the bottom menu, tap Encounters. This is where the magic happens. You will see profile nearby who match your interest. Check the profile card. Its card shows a user photo, age, and basic information. If you want to know more, just tap on their photo to review their full profile. Before deciding, you can scroll to know their interest. Swipe or tap to choose. If you tap hearts, it says yes if you like them. If you tap cross, it means no, you are not interested. It's super fast, like real time speed dating but online. When both of you tap yes, it's a match. You can start chatting right away and see where the conversation goes. And that's it. Encounter is perfect when you want quick, fun matches, no endless scrolling, just instant chemistry. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.